paint this 2005 Toyota 4Runner. Check this out. Gonna do the hood and the roof. And I'm doing some little extra for the customer. I'm gonna do the headlights. It wasn't that bad, but the paint, the clear was chipping off. So, got my gun ready. It's very hot in here. I gotta get it done. Look like I should be a sponsor for Smart. Stay tuned. I be diving in the ground, shaking my dread, acting. As you can see, I'm drenched with sweat. It feels like it's 100 degrees in here. But, boy, getting it done. The base coat. I do the light. Gotta get it done quick as possible because I'm dying up in here. Alright guys, here's the finished result. Just try this new 2K clear from England. That's what I was told anyway. It's not bad. Just gotta do a little wet sand and buffing. Overall, it's not too shabby. I see a few issues, certain things I could not avoid. And the painters away, the insects will play. Mosquitoes. There's about at least 4 of them on top here. I'm gonna try to get rid of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The shine is there. I actually like this clear. You can even see me. Once I wet sand and buff it, you'll definitely see a difference. I'm gonna get out of here. The sun is not here no more, but it's still hot in here.